Welcome back, everyone. How's it going? Let's get some more done on the 1086. I'll go do that on the other side, and then we'll be ready to start loosening bolts. Before you start splitting the tractor, you're going to want to make sure you have your tires blocked. On both sides, front and rear, right and left. That way it doesn't roll around, do any kind of funny stuff. Start getting these bolts out around here. This filter's in the way. So far these bolts aren't near as tight as they were on the burnt tractor. Before I get too carried away, I gotta take this panel off. The other side didn't have it on, but I need that off to get at the lower radiator hose, because I don't want to wreck this radiator. So a few drips antifreeze in it. This impact needs a new hog ring on it. I've got all the frame rail bolts out now. And I'm gonna go and separate the engine block from the frame and front end. So I'm gonna have to take out these two bolts on each side and probably take out all the bolts for the back end of the front axle here. And there's a good chance I'll have to loosen or take out those 4 front bolts there, possibly on both sides, to get the frame rails to clear the engine. That bolt needs some reinforcements. Wow, that's still tight. Might have to put some heat on it. I can't quite get a wrench on back here because there's a lot of debris. So I gotta scrape some of that out. I'm gonna have to jack the motor up a little bit because it dropped a little. first stubborn one. Well, everything should be ready to come out. Got frame rails plenty loose. Let's see what happens here. I almost forgot I gotta get some of this dirt out of the way or else it won't go anywhere. A lot of these things I do, it's the first time I've done it this way. Like I've split a tractor, you guys have seen that. But I've never tried to safely, gently split the frame rails off of a tractor and leave the engine behind. You've seen me take the frame rails off and then take the front end off and stuff outside with the skid steer's assistance, but I don't want to use the skid steer in here. It would just smoke it all up in here real bad. So it's a little bit of a learning experience for me. So I think it'd probably be best just to possibly block one side up so it doesn't tip on you. Take that other frame rail completely off. Correction, block both sides. Well, that didn't exactly go as planned, but nobody got hurt, I don't think. They seem to be all here. Well, it's all apart. I've got a lot of cleaning to do. And there's 2 bolts holding that in, and then that can come out. So join me next time as I work on this thing some more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?